Welcome to in front of me HUAWEI P50 Pro, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off the wireless power sharing on this device. So first you should go into the settings and then scroll down to the battery section. Right over there you will see the wireless reverse charging. Just tap here once on this switcher, and here you'll see like the tutorial how you can just share with your charging power, and by this way you can do that. And also if you want to just turn off the power sharing, just tap here again on the switcher, and that's it. So that's how it looks. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.